Good morning, and what a lovely morning it is too. Just about to start another daily walk. Sorry, I haven't woken up yet. Another daily walk to bring me up to the 6,000 mile mark. Yeah, 6,000 miles. I mean, I don't know where it is from here to out of Mongolia. I don't know. Right, so my trusty van has brought me to work where I park up. Now the time is the usual time of 6:45. I'm just about to set off now, so I should reach the 6,000 mile post in about just under an hour's time. Right, there we go. This is where my walk actually starts to be an entrance to the Roding Valley Nature Reserve. So now I'll start the application now, the walking application. Oops, volume up.
Activity started.
There she goes. And there I go. What a gorgeous morning. Birds are singing, it's a goldfinch there. The wren in the background. So much to see on these walks as well. I sort of tend to go on sort of a mini nature trails, or you know, sometimes the walk takes longer than what it should. What I like about these walks, every morning there's something different to see. It's never the same. You see and hear different things. It's a lovely time of year, everything's now in full bloom. That's I'm not sure what that is. It's a butterfly, was it? Let's zoom in. Our first customer. I think it's a meadow brown. I'm not 100% sure. I think a meadow brown, possibly. I'll have to look it up when I get back. That's a wren up there somewhere. Of course, he stopped singing now. There he goes. That's a wren. That's Britain's second smallest bird. The first, the smallest being the goldcrest. Yes, the wren, so small. You can, like the stent, you can't see it. I've got a stinging nettles now. I've got my legs out, so I've got to be a bit careful. After just checking the walking application, just realised it's in fact 6 miles before I complete the 6,000 mile mark. So, but I think I'm gonna. Today's Friday, so I'm not due at work tomorrow. So I'd normally walk where I live in Havering, but this place is always special to me. So I think I'm gonna just go for it and see if I can cook up the necessary 6 miles. Just hope I liven up a little bit. I'm a bit cream crackered at the moment. It's just going up to the part of the path which follows the river Roding. This cluster of stinging nettles here. Normally, you do see the odd cluster of caterpillars, peacock or tortoiseshell. Can't see nothing at the moment. The telltale sign is sort of top of the plant is sort of engulfed in silk cocoon. Nothing jumping out at the moment. Said that. What's that over the back there? I'm not going to zoom in because I'm not going to walk into that. So there. Yep, that's definitely either peacock or small tortoiseshell caterpillars. I can't. I'm not close enough to see what's what, but I'm not looking in there. Hey. It's nice to see some. Last year didn't see any at all. There is other creatures that live in nettles that surround themselves in a silk cocoon. In silk, so it is what lives in here, and I'm not going to put it back because it's normally a mother spider lives in there, or I'll rephrase that, a large spider lives in there. I must keep showing my my bad language. Yeah, but we'll leave that one be, I think, and move on. Butterfly, let's see what it was. It's gone. That's paint. That's Red Admiral. It's settled over here. Let's get to it. Possibly. Yep, I can see it. It will allow me to get near to it. Let's use the old zoom function, shall we? If I can find the blinking thing. The viewfinder. Oh, it is. I've got it. Oh, I've got it. Is it going to focus now? Probably not. Yeah, that's a rather poor image of a Red Admiral. Probably flown in from the continent. Oh, it's focused now. From the continent. Most of them. Some over winter, but most of them come over from the continent. The Mediterranean, I should say, more like it. More specific. Very pretty. It's bathing in the sunshine now. Yes, very nice. I'm getting a little bit stung here, so I need to walk out of this. This is the what I call the butterfly path. You know, there's like normally quite a few sit along here, and I just walked and disturbed a comma butterfly. Let's see if we can. It's just gone into the grass now. Let's see if I can. There it is. A comma. I was almost tempted to say the comma butterfly, comma. So I guess that means it's very punctual. It's still what I tell them. Oh dear. That was a pheasant. I just missed that, unfortunately. He's gone away in the distance. That was a bit of a waste of a shot. Some ladybirds. It's getting a decent light. So I'm getting ready for a bit of a lure action. I think the girl may have a headache. I think, mate, you could be out of luck, buddy. Let's lead into it. There's a damselfly there somewhere. This camera has not got a viewfinder, so it's bloody difficult finding things, subjects in the. That's all. There he goes. It's a bit of a lost cause, that one. And that's just settled again now, so there we go. Too fast for me. That's actually 3 in the same area there. There you go. Very pretty. I can't see the flipping thing in the viewfinder. The sun is shining. Is that it there? Yeah, that's it, but it looks a bit out of focus now. Let's zoom back a bit. But that's it anyway. A species of damselfly. I don't know what species of damselfly it is, but it is a damselfly. Because when they settle, the wings folded back, that's the main way of identifying if it's a damselfly or dragonfly. Continuing the path now, and there's a small tortoiseshell on the ground there. Let's see if we can. There we go. Some of these hibernate over winter. I mean, it's a fallacy that butterflies only live for days or weeks. Some of them don't. I mean, so these guys, you know, some of them actually, as I said, they hibernate through late autumn, all through the winter. They come out with the first bit of heat in the spring, and then find a mate and then start to suckle over again. Quite pretty, really. It used to be very, very common, but not so now. It seems to have landed on something rather brown. Let's see if we can get a bit closer to it without starting it. Very nice. I'm not sure if it's a male or a female. When I was a kid, I could tell, but I've forgotten about that sort of stuff now. Maybe it's just as well. There it goes. A butterfly, a damselfly on the same plant, a Essex skipper and a damselfly, 2 for the price of 1. How about that? How close can I get? Let's get, don't cast a shadow. Very pretty. Let's try and zoom back and try and just get a decent bit of focus. It's buggered off now. Oh, and what's this I see up here? Another cluster of caterpillars, and I can actually get closer to these ones. Wow. What have we here? Oh, small tortoiseshells. Yeah. It's a nice healthy cluster there. Yeah. And another one there as well. Nice to see. We have a visible moon as well today. Nice. This was one of the nicer parts of the walk across the meadows here. Very nice. The flowers. Just approaching the Rose Bay Willow Herb cluster there. So when these guys start flowering, that means that summer is. Maybe it's only in another video. Yeah, once these come out and they flower, then it's pretty well summer done and dusted. In fact, oh look, instead that, there's one starting to bud there, so early this year. Look at that one there. Yeah, and that one. The main source of food for elephant hawk moth caterpillars. That's their claim to fame. Now walking through the enchanted forest. There's someone coming this way now, so I'll have to, oh no, I'll just carry on talking. There's a dog as well. Right. Yeah, morning. Talking to myself. Oh, I should talk to the camera. It's nice and cool in this part of the walk. the ground is sort of full of roots, and I've nearly got arse over tit quite a few times on this part. Just exited the wood there. This area here last year, about this time last year, there was a grasshopper warbler. It's easy for me to say. Nothing so far this year. I suppose the chances of one returning to the same spot is not great, I guess. It's a bit of a long shot, the one, let alone two birds making the treacherous journey back to Africa last autumn, and of course the return journey this spring. So it was a long shot. Just hoping really, but it could still happen. I might just be in the in the area, but not in his exact area at the moment. So I'll have to see. Another on him. Leaves folded over in the nettles, like mine's a throw game. And who or what lives in a house like this? Well, I can find out, because it's normally a very, as I said earlier, a very, very large spider. I don't mind spiders, but I don't like the buggers jumping out at me. And we'll move on. This area is alive with the sound of a jackdaw calling. Loads of them, everywhere. That's a wren putting its tooth on anything. Oh, what's that? So that's cinnabar moth? Two of them. Cinnabar? No, that's looks more like six spot burnet. I think the spot's got to give it away, but it looks almost like a cinnabar. No, it's got to be a 6-spot burnet. One of Britain's day flying moths. Oh, not exactly rare, but I can't. It's the first time I think I've seen them over here since I've been walking over here, as memory serves. Oh, excellent. It's a good spot. Another highlight of the walk along the riverside here. Very pretty. Approaching the what I nicknamed the Bridge of Sighs. That's S-I-G-H-S Sighs, not S-I-Z-E. But looking at me, it could probably be Sighs anyway. Not like that. It is a nice view here. So the side of the bridge now to the lake. It's an amazing view across the lake there. It's a bit quiet. There was a great crested grebes on this part the other morning, amongst other things. A bit quiet this morning. Solitary swallow there, skimming over the water. I've got two hopes of trying to find it in the viewfinder, but hey, it's splashed there. There he goes. Hopefully something will come out in the wash with that footage. Coming towards us now is the aerobic woman. Not bionic woman, aerobic woman. She likes a bit of a chat, so I might have to stop the vid for a bit. What was that? There's only one. There's only one me. Are you right?
Yeah.
I'm just vain this video. I'm so vain of video myself. So I won't get you in it. It's all right. Yeah. Just don't. Come to a screen near you. I'm just videoing all the wildlife.
Oh, I'm wild.
Oh,
I'm absolutely livid.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, how about it with a tower block?
Oh no.
Oh, no.
Oh well.
What that?
You know that's worse. But
Small tortoiseshell with its wings closed. Contrastive colours between inside and outside the wings, and it's gone. No offence. Foxy. Is that a fox? Or is this a fox, isn't it? Yeah. Of a bold. There you go. Hey. Hey. Something you don't see every single morning. Nice. So moorhen. And there it goes. Normally here reed warbler along this part of the lake, side of the lake, but nothing this morning so far. Mallard duck. It's taking 5 there. So it's boy, girl, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, girl. And in the distance there is another moorhen. They do like a bit of head movement, the old moorhens. They give pigeons a run for their money with their old head movement. Yes. Swimming with attitude. Carrion crow. That's the adult there, and that's the juvenile there, begging for food. Juveniles begging for food. That sounds about right, doesn't it? There it is. Whoop. Still trying to master the black art of flying. That's the parent over there. Over. Where are you? There. I spy a pair of tufted duck. Find the blinking things. There you go. That's the male, and the rather drabbier looking female. Oh, just approaching grey-legged geese. These are actually Britain's native geese, and some goslings as well. Nice. I won't get too close because I don't think they'll be very happy with me. First time I've seen grey-leg goslings. Amazing. Over here, I've seen grey. My daughter lives in Dagenham in Essex, and I was over there a few weeks ago, and there was lots of grey-leg geese with goslings. But first time I've seen them over here. I'm just gonna go past a very scenic bin there on this side. Getting a couple of looks here, so I'm not going to stag a welcome. But anyway, yeah, very nice. they're quite laid back. Canada geese would normally be hissing and opening their beaks by now, but these guys are pretty cool. See, that's the cool Brits for you. You have to get that one in. There you go, look at that. Very cute. Well, thanks for that, guys. Just down on the riverbank now. It's along here sometimes you can see kingfisher just darting through. It's happened so quickly though that you've got a little chance of actually catching up video or photograph or whatever. Just a flash of sapphire basically, and it's gone. Because sod's law dictates, you know, I've got a camera with a reasonable zoom on it. Well, not reasonable, a very good zoom. Sod's law dictates that bugger all will appear. Getting close to the 6 mile mark now, 5.79 miles. Once I approach, get nearer to the 6 mile mark, I'm going to go live on Facebook and bore the crap out of my friends. That's what I'm going to do. Good morning. Here I am live as we speak. Hope this is going on there. Testing 1 2 3. Bit late for 1 2 3 now. Yes, live from a very sunny Roding Valley Nature Reserve. If I up now, I should be approaching the 6 mile mark, and that bringing me on to a total of 6,000 miles since I've been doing this for 5 years.
Distance,
there we go.
6 miles. Duration, 1 hour, 43 minutes, 9 seconds. Pace, 17 minutes, 33 seconds per mile. 578 kilocalories burned.
Probably the most prettiest part of the walk, which is, I've lost myself now, this way. So that's it, folks, you know, 6,000 miles, but still work in progress there, but you know, hey, this is lovely around here. Just look at this. Problems and cares just drift away. It's normally a reed warbler singing around this park. Yeah. And here it goes. That's all we're going to do. Yep. Being drowned out a bit by the jackdaw. There he goes again. Right in the distance there is a little egret up on a tree. Even for this camcorder zoom, it's going to be a bit of a ask. Where is it? Here it is. Little egret, the white thing on top of that tree there. What's the thing? I mean, for want of a better word, a bird maybe. That's the word I'm looking for. Very common over here now, little egrets. Just coming up to the bit just by the river here, where sometimes if I feel inclined, I just, if I've got time, I just sit here for 20 minutes or so and just basically chill. Nice little spot here. Just plonk myself down there and just take it all in, basically. Down the steps here. I've just got this marvel at the water lilies starting to show now. Right, well, it's coming to the end of the walk now. Nothing spectacular spotted. I've seen a few species of butterfly, various ducks, little egret, you know, and a few others, but nothing out of the usual. But you know, that's not a problem. This I was talking to the devil, or the pheasant. I was going to say that somebody see a pheasant here, and it's running like hell. Let's see if I can catch it. It's between the goalposts. No, it's buggered off. Yeah. I think he scored an own goal there. This part here quite often gets flooded during the wet season, and in England, mate, any season's in wet season, isn't it? So yeah, it does. Is a bit of a floodplain here. Chiff singing there. No prizes for guessing why it's called a chiff. Let's hear the noise of the motorway traffic and just traffic in general now, as we come into the exit into the main road. That is a spotted woodpecker. Greater spotted, I think. I know that's the call of a spotted woodpecker of some description. You can see it though. Oh yeah, to see it. It is up there, but trying to frame it is not a matter. That would have been a nice finale to the walk, but it wasn't to be. It's quite often though, you just hear a lot more than what you see. Obviously, that's quite an obvious statement to make, but you know, just making it anyway. I have a degree in stating the bleeding obvious, I think. Coming up to the road now. Let's start my day's work. What a way to start a day's work though. Cross over the road, getting one over. It's funny to look some people putting a camcorder up my face, but a few yards now. It's my place of work. It's my trusty white van, almost white van. I've got hay fever at the moment at work. Here I am, back at work. Hi boys. Morning. Right?
All right.
Yeah, you?
You good?
I'm right, not bad. I'm all natured up now. Into the fabulous workshop. where my work awaits me. Yes, rather busy. Well, that's it. Another walk over and the 6,000 mile target reached. Ooh, it's over my shoulder. That's it. Oh, okay, well, thanks for watching, those of you that did. Thank you. I think it's worth mentioning that the camcorder which I used to shoot this video, apart from this sequence here, this is shot on my S7 smartphone, but the rest of the video was just shot on the Panasonic HC V700 camcorder. Quite a remarkable piece of kit, really. Here it is there. Shoots in full HD. About what, 3-4 years now? 4 years. It's got 48 times what the manufacturers call intelligent zoom. Basically, the camera uses normal optics to zoom into 20 times, and from that point to 48 times zoom, it uses it crops the image, so you don't lose any quality as such. Not that you'd notice, obviously. There's a little bit of loss, but it's not digital zoom in the normal sense of the word. It actually crops into the centre of the image. So it gives you, quite very powerful zooming, as like the sequence with the moon in the video, and the little egret, yeah, with the heron, which I didn't see. I guess I need to go to Specsavers. Anyway, yeah. So and noticed the homemade foam windshield on the top. I mean, I actually work for a bloody professional sound light company, but sometimes simple ideas like this is just all that's required just to make the difference. Not there's been any wind hardly at all the last few days, but it's a handy little add-on there. Just held on with some elastic bands and a bit of foam on the top, as I say. Yeah, only downside with the camcorder, as I mentioned a couple of times, didn't I, just in the video, there's no viewfinder, only a screen. So on bright sunny days like today, you just can't see what's going on in the good morning. You can't really see what's going on in the viewfinder, which is a bit of a downside, really. But other than that, it wasn't expensive. It was about $350, I think, at the time. So I'm sure nowadays it's been bettered by newer models, but it's still a nice compact, walkabout handy camcorder with a reasonable stabilisation system. It's got manual audio level on it as well. You can set the audio manually, but you don't get any nasty audio compression like you get with many other camcorders and smartphones, etc. So it's very useful. Well, I'm gonna just let a dog come sniff my leg whilst doing this. Bloody dogs. People with dogs over here. Oh dear. Anyway, look, that's it. Anyway, I thought I'd just mention the real star of the show here. This camcorder. Thanks for watching. Cheers.